Is palm oil really bad for you? This intriguing question has been echoing in numerous corners of the globe, inciting a lively debate among health enthusiasts, environmental activists, and people who are simply conscious about what they consume. The answer to this pertinent question, like many things in life, isn't as simple as a plain yes or no. It's rather nuanced, multifaceted, and depends on a series of complex factors that need to be considered. So, what is palm oil? Originating from the luscious fruit of the oil palm tree, a species native to the tropical belt of Africa, palm oil is an incredibly versatile component. You'll find it as an ingredient in a wide array of products, both edible and non-edible. This widespread use is primarily due to its unique fat composition, which makes it a highly desirable ingredient in various industries. You might be wondering what this means for you and your health. Well, there are two sides to this coin. On the brighter side, palm oil is teeming with essential nutrients like carotenoids and tocotrienols. These nutrients are not only vital for the body's overall functioning, but have also been associated with potential health benefits. For instance, they're believed to have a beneficial impact on the heart and brain, enhancing their functionality and health. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that despite its high concentration of saturated fats, a trait that usually raises eyebrows in health circles, recent scientific studies suggest that moderate consumption of palm oil might not significantly affect heart health. This has shifted the narrative somewhat, suggesting that palm oil, when consumed in moderation, might not be the villain it's often portrayed to be in the health and industry. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to palm oil. The very characteristic that makes it a sought-after ingredient, its high saturated fat content, can also be its Achilles heel. A diet high in saturated fats has been linked to weight gain and an increased risk of heart disease. This paints a somewhat gloomy picture of palm oil, especially if consumed excessively. Hence, while moderate consumption might not wreak havoc on your heart, overconsumption could steer you down a different path. So the key lies in finding a balance, in being aware of what you consume and how much you consume. Is palm oil really bad for you? Only you can answer that, but remember, moderation is key. Now, transitioning from our individual well-being, there's an additional crucial topic to deliberate: the environmental repercussions of palm oil creation. Unquestionably, the manufacture of this globally favored oil is closely associated with profound environmental. The devastating effects include deforestation and habitat annihilation, which are the primary environmental concerns. Expansive portions of tropical rainforests, which serve as a sanctuary to a myriad of wildlife species, have been ruthlessly cleared to establish oil palm cultivation areas. This destructive activity is not just responsible for a significant loss of biodiversity, but it's also a contributing factor to the escalating problem of global warming. These lush forests are integral ecosystems that aid in carbon sequestration, a natural process that captures and stores atmospheric carbon, helping to mitigate climate change. Without them, we lose a vital tool in our fight against global warming. Additionally, the ruthless obliteration of these natural habitats has placed the existence of numerous species in jeopardy. Species like the endearing orangutan and the majestic Sumatran tiger find their survival hanging in the balance because of the encroachment of their habitats for palm oil plantations. The consequence of palm oil production on the environment is not merely confined to habitat destruction. It's a multifaceted issue. It's a cycle of destruction that keeps feeding into itself, causing a ripple effect. The environmental footprint of palm oil is undeniably a significant one. Wrapping this up, palm oil emerges as a bit of a paradox in our daily lives. On one hand, it presents potential health benefits, making it a noteworthy constituent of our diet. It's a highly versatile ingredient, boosting the flavor and texture of a myriad of products, right from your supermarket sauces to your favorite lipsticks. In fact, it's this very versatility that made palm oil an undeniable staple in many households around the globe. Simultaneously, it seems to carry a darker side, a shadow that looms large. Its high saturated fat content can pose serious health risks, particularly if it's a frequent guest on your dinner plates. It can contribute to heart disease, obesity, and other health problems if consumed without caution. But the worry doesn't stop at our bodies. The environment is also paying the price of our palm oil consumption. Its production has been associated with rampant deforestation, habitat destruction, and biodiversity loss. sparking worry among environmentalists. Essentially, palm oil's environmental footprint is a significant cause for concern, raising questions about the ethics of its consumption. So, is palm oil really bad for you? This question doesn't welcome a simple yes or no answer. It's a complex equation involving how much and how often you're consuming it, and whether you're considering the broader ecological implications. The key, as with many things in life, is balance and moderation.